Hello, my name's Robyn Boyle and I've flown to India because I've had osteoarthritis and impingement in my left shoulder from multiple injuries over time. I come to meet Dr. Raman Kant through Lifeboat. I was looking online to find a shoulder surgeon, and they introduced me to Dr. Raman Kant, and he has just been so wonderful because I'm approachable. They suggested a few different surgeons, but I looked at his history and he's been operating on shoulders for the last 33 years, and he seemed to have a lot of experience. And then through Lifeboat he offered to do a video call to me in Australia and give me some information about what he would do and how he could help me. I did try to go to places in Australia, but without paying a lot of money to each different consultant and not knowing, they wouldn't give me any information, and physios said that they wouldn't operate on me. I have a problem with AF, which is a heart complaint, and I didn't want to leave it any longer. As I age, it could become more of an anaesthetic risk. So I put this all to Dr. Raman, and his whole team looked after me extremely well. The anaesthetist looked after me. I woke up from the operation feeling great. It was painful and it is a big operation, but I was very impressed with the amount of care I have received and how approachable Dr. Raman is. I can ask him anything and he's brilliant. He's just such a nice person as well as a very good surgeon. He is going to follow me up as I go back to Australia, and I couldn't believe I could get so much care from someone. My husband and I are just very, very happy with everything that's gone on. It's going to be a slow recovery, but that's up to me now because he's done the best that he can do, and now I've just got to persevere and be patient and continue doing my exercises and stretches, and he will be there on a video call to encourage me if I have any problems.